The spirit said temporary madness. Temporary madness, it's whereby someone aphile with the spirit akasiworshiphayo aze athi mina nginofuzo likasibanibani. Lo muntu unenkinga ye-anger, uyalwa kungenasidingo. I-anger ilimita the ability yokucabanga. When one ebanjwe yilolu hlobo lomoya enenkinga ye-anger, i-anger ifana nokuthi uhambe emgwaqeni ophelayo ngaphambili. Njengoba ngithi anger i-temporary madness, kusho ukuthi awuziboni ukuthi usemsanganweni wesikhathi esithize, unesifo sokugula ngengqondo. This is another spirit. Most of us as Christians, we possess that spirit, and up until today, we are not yet delivered on them. Why we are not delivered on them? We worship these spirits. We accept them in our lives as part of us. Kulula ukuthi mina ngithindwa mina manje ngalibeka phansi iBhayibheli kunohlobo lomoya. Lalela, kunabantu abaluza good relationship. My relationship are good company. Uzuyabuza ukuthi bahambelani labantu in your life. Abanye bahanjiswa ukuthi ngoba mhlawumbe kumele bahambe, bahanjiswa uhlobo lomoya olupossessayo. 99.99% of Christians who are born again, worshiping God every day, they possess this spirit. And they live with this spirit. And they are comfortable. Yet these spirits, they cause a damage in your life. You lose money. You lose deals. You lose positions. You know you are highly qualified. You have got experience. But because of this spirit as pillar in you, this spirit controls you. Awungena ukuthi usukela nje ubambe iboss yakho ngamawashini. And uqhubeke futhi ungabi nankinga. Because the spirit sifaka one thing esifaka with the spirit of anger. Sifaka lento ukuthi always uhlala right. And siyakwenza lolu hlobo lomoya uzufuna abanye abantu abathize abazosupport wena for you ukuthi uzizwe ubetter. Ngike ngabona abantu bebekwa kuma certain ministries here in IBM kuthiwa no whether we sound team kuthiwa wena no wena uwa IT when use kitchen when we worship team mawuthi you notice why these people and every day they quit. Every day kuzwabona. They want to kuzwe ngabo. Why? Wrong spirit. Christians, we possess some certain spirit and we are comfortable with them and we live with them every day, yet they are destroying us. Today, they are born again Christians. They are saying, mina in my family angifuna umuntu kanti wena onenkinga ungafuni umuntu. And amehlo akho aseze aguquka kubangathetha ufunwa. This spirit makes you to convince you, uziconvince yourself ukuthi angifunwa ube ngakho namuntu othe. You read actions kanti ufunda ama action in a wrong way. We lose important things. Important people. Silahlekelwa ama-contracts abalulekile because sinenkinga ye-ignorance of this spirit.